Understanding the digital marketing certification landscape. What employers look for. In today's competitive job market, having a digital marketing certification can give you a significant edge over other candidates. Employers are constantly on the lookout for candidates who possess the right skills and qualifications to excel in the fast-paced world of digital marketing. The importance of digital marketing certifications. Digital marketing certifications are a testament to your knowledge and expertise in the field. They show potential employers that you have put in the effort to deepen your understanding of digital marketing strategies and tactics. In a rapidly evolving industry like digital marketing, having up-to-date certifications can set you apart from the competition and demonstrate your commitment to professional growth. What employers value in digital marketing certifications. Certifications from reputable organizations signal to employers that you have received quality training and have demonstrated competency in key areas of digital marketing. Additionally, employers value certifications that cover a broad range of digital marketing skills, including SEO, SEM, social media marketing, content marketing, and analytics. Trends in digital marketing certification. The digital marketing landscape is constantly evolving, and employers are looking for candidates who can keep up with the latest trends and technologies. As such, certifications that cover emerging trends such as AI-powered marketing, voice search optimization, and omni-channel marketing are particularly valuable in today's job market. Career qualifications and competitive edge. Obtaining a digital marketing certification can give you a significant competitive edge in your job search. In a field where industry trends and technologies are constantly changing, having the right certifications can make you a more attractive candidate to potential employers. Conclusion. In conclusion, digital marketing certifications play a crucial role in demonstrating your expertise and skills to potential employers. By staying informed about industry trends, investing in relevant certifications, and showcasing your commitment to professional growth, you can position yourself as a top candidate in the competitive field of digital marketing.